open this box. I'm not sure what's in here. It says Christmas tree ornaments. Fragili. I can't get under there. All right. Oh. I love these. One, two, three. Thank you, Jessie. You gave me these. I lost the remote to the Roku, so I got regular TV on and shopping channel is what's in here and behind me. Ho, 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 I wanted to put on one of those fireplaces the angels Renee gave us. They're so beautiful. RJ. But yeah, so I lost the remote, so we're listening to shop headquarters or some crap like that. They're hawking the something different now. They were selling the big mix master, you know, pretty colors, mixing up for cookies. I got one, I never use it. I love these. These are my favorites. Remember these from Salem? Were you with us on that trip when I got the first ones? I think you were. But anyway, look, we got these ones. And these ones. And I got them before I saw them everywhere. And I love them, they sparkle. Oh, 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 all my apples. I need to find a spot for all my apples. Out they go. What else? Oh, Rachel gave me these. Please don't be broken. These from Rachel, they're glass. There were 3. Now there's 2. I bought these in Hawaii. Rachel, Lori, and I were shopping. It was fun. We had a little girls' day at the mall. Kid-free. Oh. These make me think of Dina. I made that one. I don't know if I made this one or Dina did. I think Dina did. Right on the top, right? So which is nice for presentation and for color, and there's also some mixed in throughout. But look, there's not a spot where you're not going to have some So delicate, you know. The third angel. Oh, 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 my birds. Hello, baby. I got 4 of these. They're so beautiful. I just love them. I love them. All right, being a dork. They sparkle. Oh. We got 2 more. And they're so lovely. I love them. They're silver and platinum, like champagne glitter. They're so pretty. It's a long video. I hope you're resting comfortably, chilling after a long day of this or that. I love you. Look, we got these in Hawaii. Glass. Same shopping trip. Many have broken over the years. I had 6 solid ones. I think I have 4. I think I threw the broken ones out finally last year. I was like, but snowflakes are all different, so this one just is different. It was broken, is what it was. It was broken. Looky, looky, I got little red birds because I like little red birds. I got 3 of those, so there's 12 in all. What is under here? Uh-oh. Oh! Little red birds. I got more little red birds. They're gonna be everywhere. Oh my God, Jesse, you know what I found? I found these, alright? So, like, I got them and then just put them up because I don't know why. But they're so stinking cute. Can you see? He's all furry. His buddies are in here too. I got 8 of them. They're so cute. So those are going to be somewhere around. Changing it up a little. It's definitely turning into the forest though. Oh, these are all my old broken. These are all my old broken icicles. I'm not going to unroll those right now. And then I bought myself some new icicles last year. Last end of season. Got the sale price. You know how that is. Always important to get the sale price. Oh no, there are beads all over the place in here. Oh. Maybe they're from last year. I don't know. I'm just going to wrap those other ones up. But anyway, that was the unboxing of one of the Christmas ornament boxes. And I'm going to end it there. I love you, Jessica. I figure you're the one who's going to watch this. Maybe after I'm gone, everybody will watch it. And I'll be a ghost in the machine saying, I love you. I always loved you. And I love you. And I'll talk to you later.